Round them up for today's DIY series spotlight Valentine's Day heart-shaped gift card. For this, you'll need colored cardstock paper, scissors, pencil, sharpener, glue stick, X-Acto knife, acrylic paint pens, and a ruler. If you're missing any items, links for supplies in the description below. First, we're going to make 6 hearts. To do this, make 6 even squares. Create 1-inch guide points on each side. Draw a line connecting each side, creating a grid. Now draw in your hearts. I made mine different sizes, from largest to smallest. We decided to color 3 of them. Now let's make the blue backdrop for your hearts. First, we're going to divide this paper in half, then cut it. Use your largest heart to make some indentions, then we're going to draw a line across. Now use your ruler to make 4 1-inch guide points. Do the same on the other side, then draw lines connecting each side. Fold down each line. At the very top of the heart, slap down some glue stick. Plant the first heart below the last line. Do the same with the rest of your hearts, from largest to smallest. Take the other half of your paper and glue them together. Now we're going to trim the sides of the blue backdrop. We want the hearts to hang off the backdrop like so. To do this, we're going to measure 1/2 inch like that, then draw a line connecting each side. This is what we're going to cut. And there we go. Time to add in your black backdrop. Measure and divide this sheet in half and cut away. Measure and mark 1 inch on each side. 1 inch above each indention, you're going to make 2 more guide points. Make 2 more guide points off of the ones you just did. Draw a line connecting each guide point, making 2 lines. Use an X-Acto knife to cut through each line. Get your blue backdrop with hearts and put it through the slit. Get your glue stick and put it right there. Now get the other side and fold it down right there. Next, create a black backdrop for your letters. The size of this backdrop should be 6.5 by 20.5 centimeters. Measure out, draw your line, and cut. Slap that glue stick on. Before pasting it on the blue backdrop, make sure you're pulling it all the way down to the last heart. Now it's time to create our letters. Start by creating 1 by 1 squares. Each letter will take up 2 squares. And cut. Notice how the letters don't quite fit, so now we're going to cut each letter to make it all fit. And there we have it. Next, cut this indention within the top heart. Home stretch, almost done. Let's create the pull slot. Get a 2 by 2 square, draw your heart, and write pull. Slap on your glue stick, paste it there, draw 2 lines. That is where we will cut. Make sure that the bottom heart is hanging off. This is optional. You can personalize it by coloring it, decorate it any way you want. This comes in handy especially due to the glue stick mess that I created throughout. Now we're drawing 2 lines measuring 1-inch indentions. Cut along each line Make sure that you do not cut the side of each heart. This part's optional. You can put a loved one's face in one of the hearts, each of the hearts, whichever floats your boat. And here we go. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed this. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, share for more. And I'm out.